Good day, people, on my Instagram world. This is the little girl that, I've been doing the GoFund thing for. They need almost $2 million. So far, raise roughly about 1.4, 1.5, 1.6 around our part of them they do and what we do. We're still short of $400,000. And she needs to go into the surgery. As you can see, this is her little disorder.
The manager of Sincere from the Romiech entertainment camp, Romiech, is actually seeking the public's assistance in assisting a young girl who have a very severe case of scoliosis. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please remember just to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Hope and trust that you're doing fine wherever you are watching this video right now in the world. Much love and much respect goes out to you. And thanks for being a part of the Links TV family. So what I want to talk about today on the program is a young girl who has a very severe case of scoliosis. As you know, Romiech is on the entertainment camp of Jamaica, and he has been doing his thing by trying to help people sustain their life and also try his very best to see how best he can maintain the stability of many family members. As you know, Romiech is the manager of recording artist Shensia and also the manager of the Romiech entertainment camp as well. So with that said, this young female now is in need of some serious help in order to carry out a surgery, and she's in need of $2 million. So far, a GoFundMe page was launched and it has been doing so well, and they were actually able to raise over $1.5 million in order to secure the surgery. However, they require a little more cash. I think it's $400,000 in order to carry out this well-needed surgery, and Romiech took it on himself in order to try to seek some level of assistance for this female in order for her to get this level of help that she requires in order to complete this surgery. So as you know, scoliosis is a situation in which the spinal cord is actually deformed, and if not corrected over time, this can lead to serious complications in the future. You might be unable to walk, and this is just a very sad situation to see this young girl in this current position that she's at. However, I must say and congratulate the public as well for reaching out to the families and trying their very best so far in order to raise the $1.5 million. But they require a little more cash, and Romiech is actually reaching out to the public, and I believe this is the right platform for me to just share this video on. And we've seen Romiech reaching out to a number of people over the many years that I've followed his Instagram live, and I've seen him help people with food items, and I've also helped children with even tablets last year when we have the onset of the pandemic. Now in this recent situation that he's actually trying to give a helping hand, this female is in need of a serious surgery. A serious surgery in the fact that this will really require her to complete this in the shortest possible time, as she's facing a very serious condition known as scoliosis, as I said earlier on, and this is a situation in which it affects the spinal cord, causing it to be shaped in a deformed way. Now I'm about to bring you over to the video that Romiech did, reaching out to the public in order to secure that level of assistance. So let's go over to that right now.
Good day, people, on my Instagram world. This is the little girl that, I've been doing the GoFund thing for. They need almost $2 million. So far, raise roughly about 1.4, 1.5, 1.6 around our part of them they do and what we do. We're still short of $400,000. And she needs to go into the surgery. As you can see, this is her little disorder, but she's a lovely young lady. She's 16 years old, she's very nice, and this is her family. So we want to make her know, say, we get a little money, I will pay it, I will still owe. She can't do the surgery, so I beg you $400,000 for them, please. Now, you don't have to link me, you can't link she, we'll put the info, but please, we need to help the little lady. So I'm asking you nicely, right? Yeah.
Yes, good day. I am Cordian, our sister. And yes, we went there and paid the money, but we still need a little bit more to come up with all of the screws and the bolts, etc. So we're asking, can you please to help us to come up with the rest of the money so we can get the
So this is a female that is seeking the help, and she goes by the name Davina West, and she is actually in need of $400,000 to complete the surgery, which costs $2 million. As you could see there, Rami is showing you that level of bulge in her back, and that is her spinal cord. So whatever you can do and whatever you can give, I'm asking you to just reach out to the family as best as possible. Try to provide that level of assistance that they need, because this young lady really requires that help, and it's very evident that she does require the help based on what you can see in the video there. But I'm just bigging up Romiech for reaching out to the public as well. Much love and much respect goes out to everyone that has donated already, and much love goes out for those who are about to donate. So I'm just using my platform in order to just publicize this video some more, and for the general public just to see how people are faced with certain situations at time. This young girl is just actually in her teen right now. She's actually at the prime of her life, and if this surgery is not done, I can just see where this will go in the future. It is very sad to see that she's actually with this right now. And with that said, I'm just hoping that the public does try their very best to reach out in the best possible way. Romiech is using his platform in order to reach out to the mass of people, and I'm using my platform just to republicize this video out there for it to reach the greater mass of people as well. So you've seen the video, you've seen the situation that this young girl is in, and I just hope that the general public does try their very best to see how well they can facilitate doing this surgery. I don't have any contact information for the family, but if you do make contact, I will hope that you just try to render that level of assistance to them, or you can reach out to me here and I'll try to reach out to them in order to see how best we can find some way of her completing this surgery, because you see that this surgery really needs to be done, because her back is actually looking not good, as you can see there in the video. And it's very sad to see how this young girl have to be bearing with this situation. And it's not a thing that it can't be corrected. It can be corrected, and the quicker the better. So I'm just appealing to you out there, the general public. Try your very best to see how well you can reach out to the team, and also try your very best to see how well you can make the kindly donation that is required. They have raised more than 1.6 million already, which is actually more than half of the amount that they require. They just requires $400,000 more in order to complete this well-needed surgery. So I'm just appealing to you, the general public out there. Try your very best, reach out to the family. Much respect goes out to Romiech, and actually the family as well that is seeking the help for Davina West, the young female who requires this help. And it's one of those situations that I've looked on numerous occasions, and I can just tell you that when we see situations like these are things that need to be publicized. I don't see people sharing these videos. People just like to share the gossip and the mix-up and what is going on. These are things that need to be shared out there, and I don't see the vloggers reaching out to people when they do these videos. And it's very sad to see that people out there requires help, and these are the videos that need to be shared out there, but people tend to differ from them because these videos don't get the amount of views that people want and so forth. But I'm just appealing to you, the public out there. This is not for the views. This is just me lending my platform in order to assist this female. So just try your very best as much as possible to see how well you can do this. Alright, this is Links signing out from Links 007 TV. As always, much love and much respect goes out to you viewers, wherever you are watching in the world. I said before, much love, much respect. Thanks for joining the Links TV family. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting on? Click the notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with our latest report on this channel. Alright, have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family.